Hello, welcome to Little Flower International School, Dasai, in the Dar district of Madhya Pradesh. I am Johnson Luko, the principal of this school. Hello, this is our parking area. All the vehicles can be parked here. This is the compound wall. Gate watchman is here, and the thermal screening and hand sanitization happens here. Also, the self sanitizer dispenser is here. This is our assembly area. This is the stage, and this area, totally the ground it is here. This is the school assembly area. Let us have a look at our waiting room. Here is our cash counter, and this is fire extinguisher, suggestion and complaint box here. Now let us have a look at the principal's office. This is CCTV coverage here. This is our office from inside. Please have a look at our staff room. And this is our counseling room. The counseling room is here. Let us have a look at the ramp here, and this ramp is for the disabled, and here is the disabled washroom. Let us have a clear look at the school veranda. For the ground floor it is. Let us have a look at our indoor games room. Here is the stock register of the indoor sports and game room, and these are the materials. Now let us have a look at our computer lab. Before that, let us see the fire extinguisher and how to operate the instructions. Please come. Here is the stock register of the computer lab, and this is the seat of the in charge. These are the systems. Now, let us have a look at our classroom. The first classroom that we are going to visit is class 8. And outside the class there is a soft board. Here, each and every classroom has got two very big large windows to provide sufficient ventilation and all the required furniture. And classrooms are so spacious with sufficient food rooms. Please come, and chairs and table are provided for teachers, and here it is a projector room, and smart class facility is provided here in this class particularly. Soft boards are here, and these are all the furniture and other things. 7th class, and this is RO enabled drinking water facility. This is our boys' toilet. Please avail. This is our girls' toilet. Please avail. Now we are entering the first floor. Let us see, here CCTV camera coverage is there, and also have a look at the veranda in full. This is our science lab. Here is the fire extinguisher and the other things. Here is the in charge, the stock register. Visit our social science laboratory. This is the stock register, the in-charge seat, and different kinds of materials for teaching. Here are the works. Here are the works related to students and softboard. Now let us visit our mathematics laboratory. Here is the in-charge seat. This is the stock register. Here are the materials for learning. We are going to visit our library. Outside the library is the fighting facility here. Newspaper stand. Please have a look at here. Here is the in-charge seat, and this is issue register for students. This is book issue register for teachers, and this is Ascension Register. Here are newspapers and bookshelf. Here is e-library. These are the sittings, magazine. Here also we have the bookshelf. Now let us visit class 9. This is our class 10. This is a vacant room. Another vacant room. And here is the infirmary or sick bay. The first aid box, other materials for taking care, to beds area, drinking water. Let's have a view of our playground. Right in front of us is the volleyball court. There is the This is our basketball court. This is one post and the other one is there. This is the boys' toilet for first floor. Here is the drinking water facility. For the boys of first floor, and here is the RO water plant. Let us visit class 3rd. Here is the firefighting facility. Soft board here. This is 4th class. Chair, table, whiteboard, the sitting arrangement, soft board. This is class 5. Table, chair, whiteboard, furniture, soft board. This is class 6. Chair, table, whiteboard, furniture, This is actually a smart classroom. The projector is here, soft board is here, and then the windows. This is a vacant room for future use. Another vacant room. Here are the drinking water taps. For boys, the boys' toilet. This is girls' toilet. This is the wash basin area. This is the music room. These are the musical instruments. This is class 1. Here is a TV provided. This is storage facility here. The second class. Here too we have the TV facility. This is art and craft room. Students work. These are all for students. Drawing parts, drawing board, softboard, and students work. This is another vacant room here. This is another vacant room. This is another vacant room. So is a vacant room. This is our examination room. These are our A to H documents. Here are the files of documents and certificates.